Welcome back to the channel. In today's deep dive, we're taking a closer look at one of the hottest crypto stories right now, the explosive rise of Monad. This project has been gaining massive traction on-chain, smashing early growth records, and suddenly becoming the network everyone wants to talk about. But here's the twist. Even though activity is skyrocketing, the token price isn't following the same trend. So in this video, we're breaking down the entire picture: the performance, the chart structure, the possible price paths, and how another surprising player, Maxi Doge, is attracting early-stage investors at the same time. Stick around until the end, because this market shift is shaping up to be a big one. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research before making any decision. Monad is currently experiencing one of the fastest on-chain expansions we've seen from a newly launched network this year. The moment its mainnet went live, the response was massive. On day one alone, over 240,000 fresh accounts were created. And that wasn't just early hype. Within a little more than 2 weeks, that number blasted past 1 million unique addresses, signaling real traction instead of a temporary surge. The growth is equally strong across every major on-chain metric. During its first 14 days, Monad accumulated more than $216 million in total value locked, an impressive figure for such a young ecosystem. The stablecoin liquidity is strong as well, crossing $400 million in circulating stablecoin market cap on the network. Alongside that, fees have already begun flowing. The chain generated around $4,000 in chain-level fees, while applications on the network brought in roughly $80,000 in app fees. Decentralized exchanges are also seeing solid activity, with about $63 million in trading volume, and the network is averaging approximately 66,000 active wallets every single day. This is the kind of early growth most new blockchains dream of achieving. But here's the contradiction. Despite the explosive adoption, the price of the Mona token isn't reflecting the same momentum. Over the past 24 hours, Monad has slipped more than 4%, trading around 0.02696, and it has repeatedly failed to break above the important resistance zone at 0.03. Looking at the MON USDT price chart, the market structure tells us exactly why traders are cautious. After forming a rounded top earlier in the week, the token has been stuck inside a narrow compression range. The price continues bouncing between a smaller resistance region around 0.0275 and a minor support near 0.0258, a level where liquidity is slowly stacking on both sides. Two potential paths are becoming clear. The bullish outcome suggests a sweep of the support level followed by a rebound, a recovery move that slowly grinds back toward the upper imbalance zone. For this to happen, buyers need to step in exactly where they previously defended the chart on December 8th. That zone acts as the last strong demand region before the market structure tilts bearish. If bulls hold it, a pushback toward the resistance cluster becomes possible. The bearish scenario is much more straightforward. If price slips beneath the current support area, the chart opens a clean path downward toward the 0.0230 zone. That is where the next liquidity pocket waits, created by earlier price action earlier in the month. At the moment, the market is neutral, but history shows that the longer price stays compressed, the more powerful the breakout tends to be once traders finally commit to a direction. But while Monad fights to reclaim its resistance levels, something unexpected is happening in a different corner of the market. A brand new memecoin, Maxi Doge, is capturing trader attention, especially from those who want to get in early before the next big memecoin rotation begins. Fresh out of its presale phase, Maxi Doge is moving fast. Investors have already contributed more than $4.29 million, and the project is leaning fully into the growing gym meme culture. Its mascot, a buff, high-energy Doge character, gives it instant branding power in a space where personality and identity are just as important as tokenomics. But what really sets Maxi Doge apart is how the team structured the token distribution. Unlike many new meme coins that load up insiders, Maxi Doge avoided VC allocations entirely. There are no early private rounds, no backdoor token deals, and no large insider bags waiting to dump on retail. Instead, a huge 40% of the total supply is allocated directly to the community through the presale, giving early investors the majority stake. That alone is enough to get traders paying attention. But the staking rewards are adding even more interest. Maxi Doge is offering up to 72% APY for early participants, giving holders the opportunity to generate passive rewards even before the token hits major exchanges. As we move closer to 2026, the memecoin market is expected to rotate again. Historically, during these cycles, projects with strong community foundations, clean tokenomics, and recognizable branding outperform the rest. Maxi Doge fits that profile better than most of the new meme projects launching today. So while Monad continues to dominate in adoption and technical growth, but battles resistance levels on the chart, Maxi Doge is quietly building momentum from the ground up and attracting the kind of investors who like to position themselves before a trend goes mainstream. To wrap it all up, Monad is proving itself on-chain in an impressive way, but the price is trapped in a tight zone that could break in either direction. Traders are watching the support levels closely because whichever side gets taken first will likely decide the next major move. At the same time, Maxi Doge is becoming a surprising contender. With millions raised in presale, strong community ownership, and high staking incentives, it's showing signs of becoming one of the standout meme coins heading into the next cycle. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe for more daily crypto insights. Catch you in the next one. Stay crypto smart.